Hello, today I am going to explain you about differential manometer having the same fluid in both the pipes A and B at same level. In earlier video I have explained you about differential manometer which was at different level, and the fluid which was contained in both pipe A and B were different in the sense they had different density, and we calculated the pressure difference. So differential manometer, we calculate the pressure difference caused due to the fluid in the two pipes A and B. So here in this topic I will explain you about differential manometer having same fluid in both the pipes A and B, and both the pipes are at same level. So you can see here a U-tube manometer having a manometric fluid mercury connected both the limbs to both the two pipes A and B, which are at same level, and the fluid which is present in both the levels A and B is almost same. So the density at both A and B will be taken as rho. So here, once this manometer is connected to both the pipes A and B, the fluid from pipe A pushes the level of the mercury little bit down. Similarly, the fluid from the pipe B pushes the level of the mercury in the right limb. Once an equilibrium position is maintained, we take the distance or we take the measurement, whereas x is the distance from the center of the pipe B till the level of the mercury in the right limb, and h, as usual, it is the difference of the mercury level in both the limbs, both right limb and left limb. So I've mentioned here, since the density is same, I take a density of mercury as rho g, and both the fluids rho A is equal to rho B. I'll take at rho. X is the distance of the center of pipe B from to the level of the mercury in right limb, and h is the difference of the mercury. Now we are going to equate the pressures in both the limbs, pressure at both left limb and pressure at right limb. So have a look here. The next page, I've equated the pressure intensity. In the left limb I've taken first left limb, this is left limb and this is my right limb. To my left is pipe A, to my right is pipe B. Now once I equate the pressure, since the density of both the fluid is same, I've mentioned as rho. Since the pressure in the left limb will be taken as PA, the pressure of the fluid in the pipe A as PA, plus density of the fluid in the pipe from the pipe as rho. G is acceleration due to gravity, and HA is the height of the liquid level in the left limb. So the height of the liquid level in the left limb will be taken as x plus h. This is the level of the liquid from pipe A in the left limb is taken as h plus x. So I have taken here PA plus rho g into h plus x is equal to 0. Similarly, pressure intensity in the right limb will be taken as PB, that is pressure at point B, and pressure intensity of the fluid in the limb or the column, plus the pressure caused by the mercury in the limb, or you can say in the column. So that will be mentioned as PB plus rho gx. X is equal to the level of this fluid till the level of mercury. So rho into PB plus rho into G into this X plus the level of mercury will be taken as rho G into G into the level of mercury, the difference of the level of mercury in both the column as H. So I'll write here as, you can see Pb plus rho Gx plus rho G into H is equal to 0. Now equating both the pressures, Pa plus rho G into H plus X is equal to Pb plus rho G into X plus rho G into Gh. Now I have taken here Pa, I have taken here, I have brought this minus Pp here. So my rho Gx plus rho Gh will be, and this plus will come minus here, so it will become minus rho Gh minus rho Gx. Now you can see the density of both the fluid is constant, so whatever after thing I am getting is the difference of the pressure at both the pipes Pa and Pb is equal to Gh. The sense this I have taken Gh as constant, rho G minus rho. So I've got Gh into rho G minus rho, whereas rho Gx plus rho Gx minus rho Gx will nullify. The remaining value what I get is rho G into Gh minus rho into G into H. So sometimes I get G and H as constant. So in my equation I'll get a rho G, that is the density of mercury minus the density of the fluid in both the pipes A and B. So this is the pressure difference what I've got. Hope you understood this video. The figure should be drawn when the question comes. Derive an equation for the differential manometer where two pipes are at same level and the fluid is also same. So you need to draw the figure. You should take the two pipes at same level and derive the equation. So my equation what I get is Pa minus Bp Gh into rho G minus rho. Rho G is the density of mercury and G is the density of the fluid in both the pipes. Hope you understood. Thank you.